Jan Santos one is all tia, like Jimia, Vasaso. Come with that, the boy Jimia, go with that, Unimia, they can fool with 2 for TV. Amount. Hey, May Santos, some Kodumaba, Nasame Bra, Nasame Passe, me, a short videos, Mamma Niji, Guadia. And you baby more once I'm a cop. Na makohwe otu for TV ho na benye videos papa so say wo hwa na subscribe tie otu for TV na subscribe so entempana no bomodin no wa share link no we share link na we su enya no so ahwe
abusia me ma kwaba edibo otu for TV plus and me so oba so subscribe like comment na sa share man na abusia endrada Kevin Taylor eba abontin oba abontin na oba ye no GS4 so age omo akufaro agene de maumia enso agene de efa free SHS nsensem ho abroad free SHS ne bae no mahama ebe kan se bi fa say omoma yenye review won na senior system ni ikono emboa nkwara no na akufaro be ka say mahama asem na oka ne de ntro no otwa abusua Kevin Taylor betutuja e de ama GS for ne akufaro ne maumia ne nkofo na me so yakohwe video ni bi ba
ministry say oh awofo a omoma ewo free SHS no obeso omdi omuhia na awofo no kura beso omdi omuhia adentra emre dodo a omoma edi wo school a sebio omdi sua de no emre no sa amankwara no abon in fact sa o calculated days ankwara no di wo school the last group a ye promote omo na omdi 27 days wo school curriculum nankasa book no man kan ba akokora and ye promote omo nyina akọ the next stage. This is where we are. John Dramani Mahama from 2017 or catch the Ghana for say the way the NPP government is implementing the free SHS now, it will destroy our education. It is going to take away the quality and internet and the schools be to say bochemo LED or science and math quiz no, it will take away the quality. Against Kasa. Boche sorry. Boche. Kwa bochemo ya da mo the OGs more the OGs that we the Asem on the pie. Ain't because school na say no I don't know me apa but when then and the kusi if e japa kusi enti ni nyina say and the country education ministry for say omo person mu share awofo no na nka omo di anobabai ehwe se ne ometuma tenetene nyoma se ne be ya omo ma no benya more time wo school esua de aben anso no makọ omanim efri se ene okọ Ghana school ko nkratemu a free SHS no and the Kufuado Bawumia any country eye edutwum no the esini say encourage to go school 27 days pe yesi promote omonko SS2 SS3 enti awofo de wo se omonkora no omabonsa momone John Mahama from 2017 catch Ghana for catch the MPP aban catch Okpo catch Abozege catch Napo na hwene se ahwene atete egu fom catch omo say omo mayentnas ne yen review yen hwe schools ni ye na yen tutu nyama ye en na John Mahama kan review emu na Kufuor jimi we ko gina Kumase ba omia jimi we ko gina Kumase ko ka kire menu anama santefo edi mokodi nkyene de otwen bini to so ka kire omo say review asechire cancel en ye nyina etu di ekire en ne hwana momba na essay Mahamudu Bawumia en ne mba nyina hyedemo Omadane American monsters omo dem ye yi omu mpia bontene na na do dan Kufuor do ma wawo omo and the mikimil na de nsa wo bi. You need to understand say the NPP government they did not care about you Kufuor any NPP for we they never cared about wo any wo ba. It was just politics. They just needed your vote. And it's another biani catch them say in some MPP eka school na essay yet they will say in Quran school no mukono. They are not learning anything. They are destroying their lives. Near Tiaka say, oh, John Mahama pe school no, John Mahama pe SHS. Na John Mahama pe free SHS anka John Mahama see E-blocks was antimemu. John Mahama pe free SHS anka Professor Nando Pokwajman and John Mahama almost see E-blocks around the nation. E-blocks no see no. Anka omdi mpreko de begwana se enkwara na beko school na enkwara na beko school and the teachers are much enkwara de senior high schools teachers no because syllabus na say nti enkwara na ko class was say almost sa books nyina de ko adentira they don't know the teacher who is coming omunim say science teacher na ebo say agric teacher na ebo say economics teacher na ebo omukwa teacher bia to me ba because they don't follow any curriculum. All that they do is they are going to the school like in Ponche. And we keep saying atakra many ampon sa kwase ampe yam for the kufu adu oni ba omi agimi we omo be say mo mani future intended no enkora ni ko school and one so mo ko school no because first na ye wo SS no ye wo schedule wo ho yenim teacher over 7 a.m. yenim the over 9 a.m. yenim the over 12 a.m. 12 in noon yenim the over 1 p.m. yenim ni nyina yenim time be ko break and the school enkora ikoi they don't have anything like that. And Korana so one of school, more expert science teacher beba na a vocational skills teacher ba. So they are not going by any rules, any curriculum, any direction. And Korani go school say moi. Inti de bia catch them say, sa na do danko ekufuado atichidie we oni ejimi fo we. They did not come to help you. They just came to destroy the lives of your kids. And the majority of free SHS4 and the Oko Legon, Oko all our tertiary institutions are and Koramo pass free for the free SHS omu yina bon schools in Pompelmo. Inti as I speak, Brofona Mekano Hano and the Ekufuado are buying say omo per review. Brofona da on side tie. Echele we Jimmy na want Brofona want tiasie. So wako school now can Brofo tiasia. Education Ministry set to meet with parents following serious concerns raised about changes to the academic calendar, causing their children to rush through the curriculum. You can say serious concerns. There's a there's a problem, yes, and problem way and then start 2017, and the MPP for F for review. Now MPP for the catch say review means cancel. Mr. S, Mr. P. If you can give me a video or get me a video, I'll be happy. I don't know if you can. If you can't, it's fine. Majority of people have already seen the video. In the MPP for no say review a cancel no, and the Abuabia Chikusie say by force of a review. Wouldn't the MPP person here? My mental strategy no. They want to come out and say oh, say no. John Mahama ka say review no. Say share parents no ntia review no. Sa no person be ka kire mo. Enti na aboze gijimi na begina stage. Ya ka kire mo. Yes say John Mahama ni asem me obeka. Me say John Mahama also be review. Say your review e dey bi on obeka near the shame. Kempalute no we jibi omo ho atete videos no ko. Sa no ba we eno anu no. Ai. Me say go to your baby sa no mapon. Onya yeseke Koko to your baby. And so John Mahama say review. Sesiano and Ghana your review. It's your way. We are Kimpalo tell Koko to your baby. Jimmy Catabit Jimmy Omo Sonoko. Inti Adiachi about some catch so review. John Mahama didn't obey. We momo Jimmy. Omo Jimmy that and you know here are it. You see on the review ni aye awu for the years omu nyina ma no omatiase into review bu per review and say go edi but we do Jimmy brutal me say bu per review and go edi koko to your baby say onya ye seke kwase asem woni e beto abama mo onya ye mi ene ye meto abama mo kwase afo mo be gina stage abonka de mo be no mo nka ena mo to onya ye seke abuofunu Messi Koko na yeti kromwa na obeso chem say campaign party biti abamu ne campaign song ni say yesori no pa yentie we message ni efa nkoto
abusua wani sembia ye Kevin Taylor enso atoto de amane akofado ni ne krofo ni na say Kevin Taylor de obeka NDC ne Mahama ho sem de abusua let us say one will do and die. Let's just all baso subscribe, like, comment, and let's share mami. Makada sana ebe se share.
Yana Santos wale lewa wanitia. La Jimia fasaso. Kama wida dada. Se kwa Jimia kwa wida dada. Unyimia minimia. Me kanfo utu fobe TV. Ama. Hey me Santos. Se mkodu maba. Nasa me bla. Nasa me pase. Me eye short videos mama niji kwa dia. Eye baby ebi mo nwasa me ko. Na makohwe otumfo ba TV ho na benye videos papa so say wo hwa na subscribe tie otumfo ba TV na subscribe so entampana no bomodi no wa share link no we share link na na wo bi su enya no so ahwe